my name is Anya and today I really want to make a frozen mocha marbled loaf. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Remove the filling from all the Oreo cookies. Crush the Oreo cookies until they resemble breadcrumbs. Add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter to the crushed Oreos. Mix until well combined. Press the Oreos out into a lined tin. Place in the fridge to firm up about 30 minutes. In a bowl with 8 ounces of cream cheese, mix until it's soft. Add in 1 can of condensed milk, mix until well combined. Add in a pinch of salt. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in 2 cups of whipped cream, mix until well combined. Separate the mixture into 2 bowls. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules into 1 tablespoon of hot water. To 1 bowl, add in the coffee and a half a cup of chocolate syrup. Mix until well combined. Spoon half of the cream cheese mixture on top of the Oreo crust. Then add in half of the chocolate mixture on top. Add the remaining cream cheese mixture. And finish off with the remaining chocolate mixture. Cover with cling film and place in the freezer overnight. Cut into slices and enjoy.